For 250 years, America has been shaped by the spirit of ingenuity. The country we love was built by hand, driven by the passion of creators who came before us. From floorboards to modern masterpieces, wood is stitched directly into the fabric of our nation's history. It's a foundation we still live on today. You feel it when your family gathers around the dining table. You see it when the kids climb the treehouse, or when firing up the mill on a cool morning. Every project is a testament to self-reliance and a story of those who persevered. Since 1776, Americans have built. Since 1982, Wood-Mizer has helped.